future of electric driving stood still long enough for you to admire it. This is the 2026 BYD Atto 8, where design meets intelligence in every detail. From the very first glance, its front shape tells a story of confidence and precision. The hood flows effortlessly into a sculpted grille that integrates seamlessly with sleek LED headlamps, creating a wide, commanding stance that's both bold and refined. Soft curves blend into sharper edges, striking a balance between athletic energy and premium elegance. Look closer, and you'll see how the headlights are more than just beautiful. They are adaptive, designed to illuminate the road ahead with clarity and intelligence. The front grille isn't just aesthetic. Its aerodynamic structure helps manage airflow while reducing drag, enhancing efficiency without compromising style. As the camera moves across the body, watch how subtle surface contours catch the light, revealing depth and dimension. The bumper features clean geometric lines, framing the front with intentional strength and modern sophistication. This isn't a design that screams, it speaks confidently. Step inside the 2026 BYD Atto 8, where comfort meets intelligent design. Soft-touch surfaces, premium stitching, and ergonomically sculpted seats make every journey luxurious and relaxed. The steering wheel fits perfectly in your hands, while the digital instrument cluster keeps essential info clear at a glance. A sleek infotainment screen sits seamlessly in the center, intuitive and bright. Ambient lighting highlights details without distraction. Rear seating and panoramic roof create an open, spacious feel, blending technology, comfort, and elegance into a single experience. From the rear, the 2026 BYD Atto 8 makes a bold statement. Sleek LED taillights, sculpted tailgate, and an integrated spoiler give it a modern, refined presence. The tailgate opens smoothly, revealing a spacious boot. With ample depth, width, and height, it easily accommodates luggage for every journey. Rear seats fold seamlessly to expand cargo space, while premium interior panels and clean surfaces highlight thoughtful design. Functional, elegant, and ready for every adventure. The 2026 BYD Atto 8 features a refined suspension system. McPherson struts up front, multi-link setup at the rear. Each wheel absorbs bumps smoothly, keeping the ride stable, comfortable, and precise. Every turn and road surface is handled with confidence. Accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds. Its electric motor delivers instant torque, giving smooth yet thrilling performance. The precise handling and responsive steering make every drive dynamic, controlled, and exhilarating. The BYD Atto 8 features an advanced lane assist system. Front cameras detect lane markings in real time, gently adjusting the steering to keep the vehicle centered. This intelligent system enhances safety and stability, making every journey more confident and relaxed. BYD rides on 245 by 45 R20 high-performance all-season tires, paired with lightweight 20-inch alloy rims. Every tire is designed for optimal traction, providing stability on both wet and dry surfaces. As the car moves, the tread flexes naturally, absorbing minor bumps while keeping maximum contact with the road. The combination of tire, rim, and suspension ensures a smooth, controlled, and confident driving experience. BYD 8 offers exceptional value, with prices ranging from roughly $35,000 to $40,000 US. A premium electric SUV designed to combine performance, technology, and style, all at a competitive price point that makes advanced driving accessible. Every detail inside the BYD Atto 8 has been thoughtfully designed. The side doors feature soft-touch materials with premium stitching, offering a tactile sense of luxury. Even the handles and panels respond with gentle feedback, combining elegance with functionality. Ambient lighting subtly highlights these details, while the smooth door motion enhances the sense of refinement. Every touchpoint feels intuitive, inviting, and crafted for comfort and sophistication. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 BYD Atto 8, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let us know what feature impressed you the most. From its dynamic design to its advanced technology, your feedback helps us bring you more real automotive insights.